Unmasking the phrase, face up. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, face up. This is a versatile term in English, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its usage. Let's get started. In its most basic form, face up can be understood quite literally. Imagine a card, a book, or even a person lying down. If the front or face of that object or person is pointing upwards, towards the sky or ceiling, then it's face up. For instance, if you put a book on a table with its cover showing, the book is face up. If you lay down on your back, looking at the ceiling, you are lying face up. Sometimes, face up isn't about a physical direction. It can also be used in a more figurative or metaphorical way. For example, facing up to a problem. This means acknowledging or confronting an issue directly, instead of avoiding it. Facing up to the truth. This implies accepting a reality, even if it's difficult to do so. In these instances, face up is about bravery, acknowledgement, and acceptance. Here are some quick tips to remember when using this phrase. 1. If talking about the orientation of an object, remember that face up means the front or display side is visible and pointing upward. 2. If using the phrase in a figurative sense, it's usually about acceptance or confrontation. And there we have it. Now you understand both the literal and figurative meanings of face up in English. Remember, language is about more than just words. It's about context, tone, and culture. I hope this video helps you face up to any challenges in English with confidence. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.